see you. What is cost to your country money of dollar? $1 cost to your country.
Bro, $1 more dollar same way the 14,000 rupiah. 14,000 rupiah.
14 to what big?
It's so big, bro.
Much big.
It's so big, bro. 14,000 rupiah, you can buy rice and something to drink. It's a big amount. $1, a big amount.
Okay, my country, $1 cost of my country 74 money. $1 cost 24 money.
Yeah. Bro, Indonesia, it's the crisis economic, bro. Do you know that? The course of the dollar, it's so high, bro.
Okay, I think much your country very good country. Some economy is very good. My country, you think war, some war. If you